Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to read PDF like a book on Android. Reading a PDF like a book on your Android device is simple with the right app and settings. Here's a step-by-step guide. Use a PDF reader app. To read PDFs effectively, you'll need a reliable PDF reader that supports book-like features, such as page flipping or a two-page view. Popular options include: I recommend you to use, pre-installed on most Android devices, the Google Play Books. Now, launch your chosen PDF reader app. Once it's already opened, tap on your profile icon, then choose Playbooks settings. Here, make sure the Enable PDF Uploading is toggled to download PDF files from other apps. Next, open the Files app or My Files on your device. Then locate the PDF file in your storage or cloud storage, for example, Google Drive or Dropbox, and open it. Then choose Google Play Books app. Now, from the options, choose just once or always. So for now, I just choose just once. Then tap on Got It. Choose Download to SD card. Now tap on the downloaded PDF file. Once you open it, it's already on the full screen mode. To reveal the app's feature, tap on the screen. Bookmark and highlight. Use the app's tools to bookmark pages or highlight important sections for easy navigation. So in this app, you can tap on the top right of the page. Now tap on the A at the top right. Here, you can use the zoom and lighting features to enhance your reading. By following these steps, you can transform any PDF into a comfortable, book-like reading experience on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.